Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can understand the refund or reversal process of a TymeBank send money transaction, especially if you have sent money to the wrong number. If you'd like to reverse your money back into your TymeBank account, for example if you've sent it to the wrong person, listen carefully. According to TymeBank, you cannot cancel or reverse a send money transaction once it has been completed. However, if the money was sent to an incorrect number and it is not redeemed within 7 days, it will automatically be reversed back into your account at midnight on the 7th day, which is 1 week after the transaction. So the condition for getting your money back is that it must have been sent to an incorrect number and remain unclaimed for 7 days. In that case, the system will automatically return the funds to your account at midnight on the 7th day after the transaction, meaning exactly 1 week later. If you are facing issues or need further help, always make sure to use the official support channels of the service. Also, if you want to earn rewards and extra cash easily, you can try the FreeCash app. It's a simple platform where you can complete tasks and earn money online. Make sure to use the link in the description to sign up for FreeCash for free and get started quickly.